How to send big text on Snapchat. There is one feature available from where you can change your chat effect. To apply this feature, first of all, you have to make sure that you have updated version of your Snapchat application. Once you check that, simply launch your Snapchat and hit on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. From there, scroll down there, you'll see Snapchat Plus option. Now, here you will see all of the features available on Snapchat Plus. Among them, there you'll see chat editing option. Simply hit on the next and then your payment process will begin. Once you are done with your payment, you will get Snapchat Plus in your device. After that, you will also get access to the chat editing option from where you can send big text on Snapchat. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.